Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to SV Electronics. Today I am showing you VU 32 inches, the model number is 32 US display changing video. As you can see, this is the VU 32 inches TV. I'm switch on the TV. As you can see, the display was broken. So I will change the display and show you how it's work. As you can see, I'm fixed everything. I'm fixed the new display in this TV. I'm switch on TV now. Now you can see TV was 100% perfectly repaired. I am changing the new display. This is one old display. I am connecting my Apple TV now to check the picture quality. Now I am switching source into my Apple TV. My Apple TV name is SV Electronics, so that's why I am switching that input. Now you can see display is working fine. There is no any problems. I will play some video and show you. You can see there is no little bit problem in this display. It's perfectly working fine. If you need to change the display, you can contact me. My contact link in description below. I have given my WhatsApp link in description. You can contact through WhatsApp link. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my video.